Hi, class, and welcome to week 2 in your online general psychology course. This week we are actually moving into the content. So last week was about getting everything set up and connected and introducing yourself. And this week we will dive into chapter 1. So just a couple reminders. Make sure you're going over here to McGraw-Hill Connect to read your textbook. The first video showed you the steps to follow to get to your ebook. And once you've read the book, you're ready for this module. So this will look more consistent of what modules look like moving forward. You'll have access to the PowerPoint slides. This week I have provided a micro lecture. So my micro lectures are 15 minutes or less that really hone in on one of the topics. So historically, I've looked at where students may have been most confused in the chapter, or where some further clarification, hopefully from a lecture, will help you. And so this week I chose structuralism and functionalism. So this micro lecture here, and it will help prepare you, hopefully, a little better for your structuralism and functionalism assignment in Connect. So for this week, you will have 2 Connect assignments. So one, as I just mentioned, on structuralism and functionalism. You'll have another one on areas of specialization, and then you will have your chapter 1 quiz. So this is the first time you'll take a quiz for this semester, but you'll have one every week moving forward. And this first one will really, I know you don't know what you don't know, so you're not sure. They're multiple choice. You get 2 attempts at the quizzes. So if you don't like your score on the first quiz, take it again. It will use the highest grade. A couple of things for students have already started kind of working a little bit ahead that have run into. And just a reminder, if you don't see your grade, Canvas gradebook is our official gradebook. So if you go out into Connect to do an assignment, remember, not all assignments are out there. They happen to be this week, but we will have some weeks where you'll do assignments both in Canvas and Connect, but you'll always navigate from the week's module here in Canvas. So it'll shoot you out, and then you'll come back into Canvas. If you don't see those Connect assignment grades in the gradebook in Canvas, go back into that assignment and make sure you're hitting the submit button. I don't know. There's no rhyme or reason of why sometimes it's automatic, sometimes it takes up to 24 hours, and sometimes why it requires you to kind of go back in and juggle it around with that, hitting that submit button again. But if you've done it, it's there. We can always kind of pull that grade back, but I know you want to see that grade on your end, so make sure that you're checking that. Okay, so in addition to your 2 Connect assignments and your quiz, everything else in the module is supplemental, which means it's not an assignment, but it's information there to help you. The PowerPoint slides, the micro lecture, and then there's a careers in psychology website that I've linked to, just so you'll get some of that in the chapter that you read, but just if you want some more information on careers in psychology. So keep up the good work. Make sure you get those assignments turned in. You are off to a great start, and if there's anything I can help you with, never hesitate to reach out to me. Take care, everybody.